Sometimes injured workers will give insurance adjusters statements. Sometimes injured workers do not understand that insurance companies have huge resources with private investigators and attorneys and adjusters. And injured workers are quite surprised to hear that they may be followed. And they just don't understand all of the benefits that they're entitled to. And they don't understand the process or how long it takes or what physicians know how to properly assign percentage of permanent impairment. And they're quite surprised when they find out about some of the benefits. For example, disfigurement. A person is entitled to a disfigurement payment if the scar is visible in normal clothing. And it can be a scar from the incident itself that occurred, or it can be a surgical scar. And so what happens is the Industrial Accident Board members actually view the scar and listen to testimony from the claimant about how offensive the disfigurement is to them in their daily life. And that's how the Industrial Accident Board will then assign a number of weeks to the scar. For example, last year I represented a gentleman who was working with a masonry company, and he was working with a saw, and the saw actually hit metal on concrete and came back and hit him in the face and cut his face, and he had a very significant scar on the side of his face. Well, this gentleman also had a part-time job, and he was a model. So in his particular case, when he testified at the Industrial Accident Board, he explained to the board members that for him, it was extremely offensive in his daily living activity because that's something he enjoyed. He enjoyed modeling, he enjoyed working out, and that was difficult for him. He had several surgeries on the side of his face and inside his cheek, and it was a very sad case.